crack open a cold one, get yourself some mixed drinks involved, because we got another episode of Drunken Carpentry. Today, on Drunken Carpentry, we will be making a letter holder for your bills and your stuff and your sunnies and all that fun stuff. We have a special guest helping us out. So, without further ado, everybody knows this bloke all the way from Japan, using his martial arts skills, chopping up wood for us, getting it perfect measurement. Ryu. So here we got a stack of the wood we need. Gotta chop them up to the lengths that are gonna be needed. Here you go, you get started. Hadouken! Shoryuken! Hadouken! 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 Shoryuken! 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 Hadouken! You win! Alright. Thank you, Ryu, for that beautiful demonstration. That was very impressive and terrifying at the same time. Just so you know, I'm only sweating because it's really hot in here, not because I'm terrified for my life. Let's go on materials and what we need. Yep, you're gonna need your fucking tinnies. So step at the bottle out, get yourself something to drink, because we're gonna get fucking started. So boom, gloves, boom, hooks, boom, fucking screws. This one's way too big. Your stainers, your wood, everything's cut at 12 inches, and these three are cut at fucking 20. Your drill, you get the fucking gist, it's right there. Let's get our fucking gloves on. Boom. We'll drop that. Okay. We're gonna get started with the fucking staining. You guys already seen a couple episodes. You know what to do. Get your rags, go with the fucking grain. Like that, and so we're gonna do it to all of them. By the way, I'm taking suggestions on anybody who wants me to try some awesome beers, drinks, mixed drinks. Leave some comments below to let me know what I should try out. And we're gonna take the 1x2s and we're gonna put them. They're gonna be the support to keep this nice and flat like this. What the fuck is this doing there? You're gonna put the fucking thing up, and then you're gonna just drill right through the correct way. Fuck! My bit's bad. I just split the goddamn wood. Fuck! Shit! Ooh. It'll work. It'll do. Don't worry about it. No worries. No apples. Just drill nice and slowly. We're doing impulses like rant, as you heard me do. Just don't go crazy at the end. In the beginning, you're okay. It's right at the end that it fucks you. For the bottom one, keep it nice and even with the bottom. So we're gonna line these up. That's where the wood glue comes in. We're gonna put some wood glue right here. Today's not a good... You know what, we're just gonna fucking do it with the finger. Why not, it ain't our first rodeo, is it? This is globby. What is wrong with this thing? For it right there. But we're gonna drill longer screws so that we don't fuck this up. Flip it. It'll be easy to see this way. Boom, that was a nice one. Yeah, give it up for yourself. Give it up for me for not fucking this one up. I'm gonna use your sleeve. Your sleeve helps so fucking much. I can't stress that, especially if you've been drinking too much. And you cannot hold your screw for the life of you. Look at that, I split it. Ha! Why? Because I'm fucking drunk. But we're gonna make this work anyway. Did you hear that? Ah! Alright, last screw. See, always right at the fucking end. It's the story of my goddamn life. We're just gonna do it slowly for this one. It's gonna split. I can feel it. Fuck it. It's done. Okay. We move on to throwing this bullshit away. That's where we're going, because this is done. Grab these hooks right here. And then by hand you can do this, or you want to drill pilot holes yourself. But this wood, as you can see, is very soft. And here you can hang your keys, sunnies. Right. Once this is done, we're gonna take our brush marker and we're gonna draw or write the things we want. So I'm gonna do liked, screwed. Ta-da! But once you are done with everything, this is what it looks like at the end of it all. Now we're gonna go into installation.
Only truth lies in the heart of battle.
We're going to installation.
In order to improve, you must fight your equal.
It's real simple. What you want to do is put it against the wall, find your stud. You put your bullet level up here, make sure it's nice and straight, find the stud, and then you drill one of your wood screws right into the wood, and it'll go directly into the stud. And then I'm just a little light on some things, nothing crazy. And then you're gonna do the same thing at the bottom. Excuse me. As you can see, I'm a master fucking accountant. So here we go. So once again, thank you for joining me in Drunken Carpentry. Always a pleasure to have you by. We'll have another episode coming up at the end of the week. Hope today was very informative. Again, I want to give a round of applause for Ryu for being our special guest today and helping us with the wood chopping and stuff. So thank you again, Ryu.
The bonus stage car?
What?
Bonus stage round
That's
car?
my car.
Yeah, let's
No.
see.
No.
Begin.
Street Fighter RYU! Alright!
Challenger?
No! Ah! Jeez!
Once again, thank you for joining me in Drunken Carpentry. I hope you found this video very entertaining and useful, and you learned something new. That you subscribe and like it and share it. Alright, cheers everybody. Oh my god, blood. I gotta go to the hospital.